What if I told you there's a drone claiming 4K video, 42 minutes flight time, and pro-level features for under $800, but some users say it's basically a flying potato? This is the Contixo F33 Vortex. On paper, it sounds insane. 4K UHD camera, GPS plus return to home, follow me, and cinematic modes, and up to 42 minutes flight time. Basically, it's trying to compete with premium drones without the premium price. But here's where things get interesting, because depending on where you look, this drone is either amazing for the price or unpredictable and dangerous. Yeah, that escalated quickly. On sites like Best Buy, it actually scores around 4.2 stars, with people praising battery life and range. But other reviews say the 4K camera looks more like 720p or 1080p, footage is grainy and shaky, and some units even stop working after weeks. One buyer literally said it flew off on its own and ignored controls. Eek! So, is it a scam? Not exactly. Here's the truth. It's a real product sold by legit retailers, but many users suspect it's a white label drone, basically rebranded hardware with inflated marketing, meaning you do get a drone, but maybe not what the ads promise. See drone seller reviews on Trustpilot. Some buyers report delays, refund issues, or mixed experiences. So, here's the deal. If you want a cheap, pro-looking drone, this might work, but if you want reliable performance and true 4K, you might want to think twice, because sometimes the biggest risk isn't crashing your drone, it's believing the marketing before you even take off.